What's the secret ingredient to growing a successful online business in 2024? Ever wondered? In a world that's rapidly transforming, where e-commerce is booming like never before, understanding how to navigate the digital landscape has never been more relevant. It's not just about selling products or services anymore, it's about creating experiences, building relationships, and fostering communities. The answer might not be as complex as you think, but it does require a new way of thinking. Now, there's a point of debate that's been making rounds in the entrepreneurial world. Is it the product, the marketing, or the customer experience that ultimately drives the success of an online business? Let's dive in. Some might argue that it's all about the product. They point to companies like Apple, who have revolutionized industries with groundbreaking products like the iPhone. They argue that the quality, innovation, and uniqueness of a product can propel a business to the top. But others would counter with the importance of marketing. They bring up examples like Nike, a company that has become a global powerhouse not just because of their athletic gear, but due to the iconic marketing campaigns. Their "Just Do It" slogan and the swoosh logo are recognized worldwide. These people will contend that no matter how great your product is, it won't get anywhere without effective marketing. Then there are those who champion the customer experience. They'd highlight businesses like Amazon, who have placed customer satisfaction at the heart of the operation. From easy navigation on their website to quick delivery times and hassle-free returns, they have set a standard for what a seamless online shopping experience should be. These advocates will argue that a positive customer experience can turn a one-time buyer into a loyal, repeat customer. But here's the thing, it's not an either-or situation. Each of these elements, the product, the marketing, and the customer experience, are vital cogs in the machinery of a successful online business. One cannot function without the other. You could have the most innovative product, but if your marketing doesn't reach your target audience, or if your customer experience is lacking, your business may struggle. Likewise, you could have an excellent marketing strategy, attracting tons of potential customers, but if your product doesn't live up to the hype, or the customer experience is poor, those customers won't stick around. So it's clear that it's not just one aspect that drives success. It's a blend of all three. But how do you get this blend right? By the way, if you haven't already, please take a moment to like this video if you find it valuable and share it to anybody who needs this. It will really help us to rank higher in search results. Thank you for your support. Unlocking the secrets to growing an online business in 2024 involves a fine balance of three key elements: a remarkable product, a strategic marketing plan, and an unforgettable customer experience. How can a beginner start from zero and build a strong and successful business? Well, here we encourage you to focus on one of those keys: a strategic marketing plan to reach your audience and build a community. While making my research for this video, I realized that Nike, Amazon, and Apple all started with a marketing strategy. Naturally, each company has its own particularities. The story says that Phil Knight, one of the founders of Nike, started his journey by promoting other people's products and earned commission. Yes, he was promoting Onitsuka Tiger running shoes. Onitsuka Tiger is a Japanese company, the ancestor of the well-known brand Asics. He presented himself as the CEO of a company which didn't exist, Blue Ribbon Sports, and convinced Onitsuka Tiger to let this company, which he has just started from scratch for the occasion, be his exclusive representative on the USA West Coast. What? Isn't that a marketing skill? That's what I call audacity. What do you think about how he overcame the first challenges of his dream? Let me know in the comments. With his business partner, they bought for something like $1,000 of shoes to start. It's only after a couple of years that Nike was born with their own first product, and the rest is history. Of course, the road to success was paved with challenges to face. That's the proof that you don't need to have your own product to start. It's really important to understand this. This is even more true in today's world. Do your own research on Nike's story if you want to go deeper. It's the same for Amazon. How did Jeff Bezos proceed to generate traffic on Amazon's website and grow his business? Well, the story says that Jeff Bezos started by selling books online, and those books were other people's product. If we have to dissect Amazon's struggles at the beginning, it will reveal that marketing has played a crucial role for the company. Look, there are tons of powerful products and services out there that change people's lives. Even if you have your own product, if your customers don't have an unforgettable experience, you are in trouble. While you are working to bring your products and services to the next level, don't neglect the potential of existing powerful products in your niche. Why? Because if the owners have the affiliate programs, you can jump in, promote them to your community, and build a customer database. Think about it. So, what makes a product remarkable? Well, it's something that solves a problem, meets a need, or fulfills a desire in a unique or superior way. Take Apple, for instance. They didn't just create a phone. They revolutionized the way we interact with technology. In the digital age, the noise is louder than ever. So, how do you cut through and build a community? You need a well-thought-out plan that targets the right audience at the right time with the right message.
Absolutely.
Let's consider Netflix. They don't just promote their service, they highlight specific shows and movies to different segments of their audience. This kind of personalized marketing is what grabs attention and drives action. But we don't have Netflix resources, right? So if we want to build our community, our plan should include social media. Yes, you need to choose a platform to post your content. It's all about selecting the one where your target audience spends time. If you haven't already, watch this video. It can be helpful. So remember, people don't just buy products, they buy experiences. And when those experiences are positive, they come back for more. It's just a matter of time. And even if you don't have your own yet, it's not a problem. Identify remarkable products and services in your niche, the ones that you are using and trust, and promote them. By doing this, my friend, it's just a matter of time. The rewards will come in a way you weren't even expecting. But don't expect it to be a cakewalk. It's a continuous process of learning, experimenting, and iterating. If you really want to take back control of your life and be your own boss, shift your mindset, become a content creator, build your brand, connect with your target audience, help them to solve the problem. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to constantly learn and adapt. Now, watch this video to discover how to use YouTube Shorts and make money online.